using your Affirm's virtual card in store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use your Affirm's virtual card in stores. So for that you need to create an virtual card first. So for that you have to open up the application. In my region the Affirm is not currently available, so I'm just going to show you using the pictures, and this is how your Affirm application should look like. You just need to log into your account first. After logging in, you will see this page. You just have to tap on this virtual card and it will take you to this page. Now here you have to select this option, which is pay with a one-time use virtual card, and you will see this page. Now here they want you to put the amount of money that you want in your virtual card. So it totally depends upon you. They just wrote a random number which is 484. You can write the amount, totally depends upon you. After writing the amount, you just have to tap on continue and you will see this page. This is your virtual card that your Affirm account created for you. First of all, you just need to save it to your phone. You just have to tap on this save to your phone, and what it will do is it will save the copy of this virtual card on your phone, so you can use it whenever or wherever you want. You just need to open up your phone, use this virtual card to pay in store. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can create a virtual card for paying in store of Affirm. So hope you guys find this very helpful.